Hello everybody. I hope you're all doing well and you're safe and happy and having fun with this little activity that we're trying to do to get everybody into the mood for our Zoom union on September 13th, 2020. So I opened up a collaborative playlist in order to make a soundtrack for that period of our lives. I'd love for you to add to it also. So first of all, you have to have a YouTube account associated with your Google account. If you don't, it's free and easy. You just sign into YouTube with your Gmail account. You can open up an account for yourself. Doesn't cost anything. Just give it a name and you're on there and you're good to go. If you already have an account, or if you've just done that, you go into our link here that I've shared with you. You go into the playlist and you just save the playlist as one of your own. Then once you have this as your playlist, you go into a song that you want. You find the version and you save it to your playlist. And that's all. Now it is part of our playlists. Here we go. So I hope you join me in this.